Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Conversica AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in conversica.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Conversica AI website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner to reset your forgotten password. Now once you're inside the login portal, click on don't remember your password and you will be asked to enter the email address or username that you set up while creating your account. Just type in your username or your email address and click on the continue button and you will be asked to check your inbox. Just check in the inbox of the account that you used to sign up and you will find an authentication mail that will allow you to reset your password. Just click on this link and now you can change your password. Type in your desired password for your account and click on the reset button, and now once your password has been reset, you can use this new password along with your original email address or username to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Conversica AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.